AI was supposed to be this huge productivity revolution, right? It promised a future where we could finally focus on our best, most creative work. But if your reality is anything like mine, it's been a little bit messy. You've got more apps, more logins, and somehow even more things pulling at your attention. So, does this look familiar? You're jumping between like a dozen different AI tools, and you spend more time managing the tech than actually using it to get anything done. That huge leap in productivity we were all expecting, yeah, it feels kind of stuck. But if you're sitting there nodding along, you're in the right place. We're going to sort this out. Okay, so here's the big secret. The problem isn't the AI itself. It's that we're trying to bolt these futuristic tools onto our old, broken ways of working. We don't need another shiny new app. What we really need is a whole new system, a new way to think about our workflow. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. It's a really simple, three-stage framework that's going to help you turn AI from a source of chaos into your most valuable teammate. First, we'll block distractions. Then, we'll scale you. And finally, we'll focus on getting real, tangible results. All right, first things first, we have to reclaim our focus. You know those amazing workdays where you're just completely in the zone, in a state of flow? Well, the modern workplace seems specifically designed to destroy that feeling. So, step one is all about using AI to fight back and build a kind of fortress around your attention. And just think about how badly we need that fortress. Get this, research shows that the average office worker gets interrupted every 11 minutes. But the real cost isn't just those 11 minutes. It's the huge amount of mental energy it takes to get back on track, which just slowly grinds down our ability to do any real deep work. So how do we actually do this? The trick is to think of your AI as having two very different jobs. First, you need a thinking partner, something that can read, summarize, and connect dots for you so you don't have to. Second, you need a working partner, or an agent, that can step in and actually do stuff for you. A really good example of this is a tool like Comet, which is split into exactly these two roles, an assistant for understanding and an agent for doing. Let's see how that thinking partner helps you get your focus back. So imagine instead of having 20 tabs open to research something, you just ask for a quick summary of the key points. Or instead of scrolling through an endless Slack channel, you just ask for a digest of everything about Project AI. The AI basically becomes your personal filter, bringing the important stuff to you so you never break your concentration. It's a game changer. Now, this is where things get really cool. The working partner, or the agent, is designed to handle all those annoying little tasks that just kill your momentum. Think about scheduling a meeting. You have to check 3 different calendars, find a time that works, send the invite. It's a pain. An agent can take that entire process and just do it. With one command, it literally automates the friction right out of your day. Okay, on to stage 2. Once you've built that fortress and you've got your focus back, something really amazing starts to happen. Your mind is suddenly free to think bigger. This is the point where AI stops being a defensive tool and starts becoming a true force multiplier for your own unique talent. You become a team of one. And this quote just nails it. When you're not constantly putting out small fires, the questions you ask yourself get way more ambitious. You start wondering, is there a better way to do this? Or what's the one big opportunity we're missing? And the best part is, now you have a partner that can help you find those answers in seconds. And we're talking about really high-level work here. You're not just doing a quick search anymore. You're doing deep research that used to require an entire team. I mean, imagine being able to evaluate something as complex as quantum computing for your industry, even if it's not your area of expertise. You stop being just a doer, and you become a real strategist. But you know, there's a common problem with a lot of AI tools. The output sounds so generic. It doesn't sound like you, it doesn't sound like your company. The solution here is to create a dedicated AI environment that you can actually train on your specific voice and standards. And tools like Perplexity Spaces are built for this exact job. So how does that even work? Well, you basically become a coach for your AI. You feed it examples of your best work, your past reports, your killer presentations, and you give it instructions on your tone, your terminology, everything. The results? The AI stops being a generic helper and becomes a true extension of your own professional voice, making sure everything it produces is perfectly on brand every single time. Okay, this brings us to the final, and honestly, the most important stage, getting results. Because reclaiming your focus and amplifying your talent is amazing, but it doesn't mean much if you can't turn that power into outcomes that really matter.
We're talking about the successful project, the big promotion, the win that moves your career forward. Let's talk about something we all dread, the performance review. For most of us, it's this last-minute scramble, digging through old emails and project files, trying to remember what we even did all year. But with an AI partner, you can completely flip the script on this.
I mean, just look at this transformation. Instead of you digging for evidence, your AI partner analyzes your actual work data, your projects, your calendar, your emails, and it identifies your biggest contributions and their quantifiable impact. Then it generates a polished, professional, data-driven report for you. You go from reactively justifying your past to strategically positioning yourself for the future.
And this, right here, is the ultimate goal. Just look at that shift. This is all about fundamentally changing where your time and energy go, moving away from the low-value admin stuff and pouring that focus into the high-impact strategic work that actually moves the needle for your career and for your organization. At the end of the day, that's what this is all really about. The ultimate purpose of AI isn't to replace us. It's to clear away all the friction, all the noise that gets in our way. It's about creating space for your unique perspective and your curiosity to actually shine through and create something truly valuable. So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. Once you can block out the noise, amplify your unique talents, and focus purely on making an impact, what could you really, truly achieve as a team of one? Thanks for tuning in.